Hey, what's happening YouTube? Today I will teach you how to buy Yumi coin step by step. First, what is Yumi coin? Every time a Yumi coin is traded, a donation is being deposited towards a verified charity and that will help end world hunger. Also, Logan Paul support Yumi coin. He was tweeted and everyone started buying this coin. Let's start this easy way to buy. First step, you need to have a Binance account. If you have a Binance account, you can log in and you can skip this step. If you don't have, click to register now and write your email here, password here, and click this button, referral ID. It's my referral code which is give you 20% discount, and click to create account. Second step is metamask. You need to download this wallet. It is easy to download and this is Google extension. Click to download now and it's about 1 megabyte. Then you download metamask, click to extension and go metamask, and here create account, or you have an account, write your parole. Guys, after open the settings, go down and select networks and click to add network and put these informations to there. This site link in description, you can copy paste here. I did this. Then you add this network. You need to go pancake. Then this website link in description. Then you click this website. You need to click just connect. If you click connect and select metamask, it's automatically connected to your metamask. And then copy this contract, which is yumicrypto.com, also in description. Go here and paste. You can see this Yumi, but be careful, just BNB. Okay, just you can swap this BNB to Yumi. Now you can ask a question how we can send BNB to there. Just go extension metamask and click this button, copy to clipboard. Just copy this. Then guys, you need to have a BNB. You can see BNB here. Just click this buy and select BNB and buy how much you need. I was buy about 20 euro and click continue and select your payment method. Then you buy BNB, just go your wallet and send your BNB to metamask. How you can do this? You need to click withdraw and go to metamask again. Make sure copy to clipboard this and paste here. You can see it's automatically changed it how much BNB you has. You can send it. You can see I was sent 006 BNB. It was sent it and I has a Yumi coins. That's it guys. If this video useful, you can like and subscribe to support me, and all links in description, you can check it. Thanks for watching guys.